Are you ready? Because I'm so excited. Anyway, let's go. We're gonna open. Oh wait, hang on. If you're here for the first time and you're not a subscriber yet, please click the subscribe button below. And if you don't hate this video, please give me a thumbs up. My name is MistyqBleu and thanks for tuning into my channel. Well, today I'm really happy to share this with you. I've just received this from Universal Traveler. A big shout out to Adrian and also Catherine from Universal Traveler. Adrian for preparing this beautiful gift, and also Catherine for dropping by my house and passing this over to me earlier this evening. So I just want to tell you a little bit about UT. I was sponsored for this bag. So I've googled it and it says here, we're gonna read a little bit about it. From a humble beginning in the 1970s on a street in Singapore, to more than 60 retail outlets and counters in departmental store across Singapore, Malaysia and Indonesia today, Universal Traveler or UT has grown from a winter wear retailer to a leading winter wear brand in Southeast Asia. Not only does it have all this winter wear stuff and also luggages, Universal Traveler is your one-stop shop for all your thermal wears, your winter wear stuff, and also luggage accessories. The first time I went there was ages ago, 15-20 years ago, probably. Anyway, so ages ago. And also they have a lot of down feather jackets, so if you want to look for any of this winter wear and also thermal wear, you can always hop on to your nearest UT store. It's all over Southeast Asia, so go check it out, okay? You can also buy online, and this is where you should go. Check it out. Anyway, I love shopping online because it's so easy now. You don't have to get out of the house, look at it and check out the dimensions and also all the details about what it is that you're buying, and then you can just buy it online and then in the next few days it's all delivered. So today I have this bag sponsored by Universal Traveler. I'm really excited to take a look and unbox this box, but before this I want to show you this box. It's huge because the content. You know what they say about big bags? Big bag, big box. Anyway, the bag is really sturdy and it has the packaging details and also the details about where you can find them. And I'm gonna open this. It's a little heavy. Anyway, are you ready? Because I'm really excited. Let's open this. Okay, so to open, we're gonna slide it. Ta-da! Woo! And here goes. Ooh, this is the box. And off fell a letter. Oh! Ta-da! Okay. It says something important inside, open me. So I'm not gonna wait and I'm gonna open. And this is the letter. So I'm gonna read it for you. It says, a whiff of summer is coming to Universal Traveler. Woo! Dear Adeline, well, my real name is Adeline, but MistyqBleu has been my brand name on Instagram for over 10 years now. So I'm not giving that up and I'm sticking to it. And it says here, Dear Adeline Chu, Universal Traveler is excited to reveal a new range of bags and wallets from the esteemed American brand US Polo Assn. Hope you like this special gift from us. Always keep us in mind. Travel safe, travel in style, and travel with Universal Traveler. Love, Universal Traveler team. Thank you so much, Universal Traveler team. I can't wait. Okay, we're gonna put this aside. And of course, I will always remember Universal Traveler. Actually, I've been a customer, well, my family has been a customer of Universal Traveler for many years now. We used to buy luggages from them. They have so many different brands and so many things to choose from, and it's easily available in most of the shopping malls. So I'm gonna open this and take this out. Well, it's wrapped pretty nicely with this black paper and it's huge. So I'm gonna just turn it around and ta-da! And oh, here it goes. Ta-da! And another layer. And here it is. And there it is. This is the bag. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna review this from top to bottom. First of all, it's nicely packed, and I love it that the handles are protected because some of them are not protected, and you know, this is very important. I don't want them all wrinkly. This reminds me of one of the bags I have, but bigger, from Ralph Lauren. Okay, so, and also MCM. I have a bag similar to this. It's bigger, but the MCM bag doesn't have a zip, and I love that this one has a zip in here, so my things won't fall off. So this is awesome, and it's gonna be my new vlog bag where I can throw a lot of things in there. So the handles and all the metalware, you can see it's all protected. I'm gonna remove that, and they're all silver metal protected. Okay, silver metalware. And I'm gonna remove this. Can I do this? Am I strong? Oh, I am strong. I am strong enough to remove it. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this with, okay, and this side as well. Okay, awesome, gone. And I'm gonna open inside. It has a logo. Also silver metalware. I love that this is textured, so it doesn't get scratched easily. Oh, this is the label and the logo. And this is called Jones Shopping Bag, PU. PU is not real leather, it's faux leather. Okay. So we're gonna take a look. Oh, at the bottom, it's nice and sturdy. Although it doesn't have any metal hardwares, it's okay because it's got this really hard, I think, box at the bottom, so your things will not fall all over the place and it will sit properly. I'm gonna open it, and here it goes, opening the zipper. It slides easily, so that is great. And inside, that's good to keep the shape of the bag. And ta-da! Here it is inside. I love how they have nice, and they have the monogram inside with this layer of satin, and there are 2 pockets here, which is great for mobile phones or anything you want that you can slip in here, your cards, your car key. It's really small. I think it slides in. I'm gonna try and see whether my iPhone XR and my iPhone 7 goes in there, okay, later. But important thing is it has a zip here that you can put maybe your lipstick and stuff, and opens easily, and see, it's deep enough for me to put stuff, and I love it. And slides easily. The important thing is the zip works really well. This bag is in navy. I love this color. It looks different under different lights. I'm sure it looks even better under sunlight, natural light. And I'm gonna remove this so I can read to you about this brand, okay? The serial number is at the back here, and it has a final note under US Polo Assn. ASSN, well, it's actually the short form for association, and it says that it's not affiliated with Polo Ralph Lauren Corporation. Here you go. Can take a look at it. The logo looks similar, but it's not the same as the Polo Ralph Lauren. I mean, they do have the polo, the guy on the polo, but they're not the same brand. And the logo looks different. I mean, it's similar, but it's not exactly the same. Anyway, I'm gonna talk a little bit about the hardware. If you look at the hardware, it has the branding on it, of the zip, and also the inner zip has the branding as well. And the top here, can you see, is very pretty. It's quite cool actually. Can you see that? I've actually filled it up with stuff already. This is my vlog bag, so I filled it up with stuff already. I'm gonna use it for a couple of days before I do the video of what's gonna be inside. And I filled it up with so many things in there, and it doesn't break my my arm or my shoulder. I mean, like some of the bags I have, they're branded. I'm not gonna mention what brand. It's really great. It's really nice. I love it. I love those bags that I bought, but I can't really put too many things in there that are too heavy, because the handle itself, they're a little thin. So when I put them over my shoulder, it's like painful, and I was like breaking my shoulder blades. Ta-da, ta-da, ta. My new bag. I'm so excited. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I'm gonna go everywhere with it, with my equipment, all in this bag. Okay, so I'm gonna zip up this bag. And put it on my shoulder. Oh, nice. It sits nicely here. It sits nicely flat on the shoulder, because some of the handles are a little rounded, so it seems like every time I put them up they will just fall off, but this sits really nicely on the shoulder. Anyway, I have been using another bag, and I carry them everywhere with my vlog equipment, so many stuff in there, but it's really heavy, and I like that I can slip everything inside here and it doesn't feel so heavy because it's sturdy over here. And I've got Well, you're gonna have to watch my following video because I've got a whole lot of stuff in there. So now I'm gonna do this one thing that I've been waiting to do, okay? I'm gonna measure the bag because it doesn't have any dimensions in here. So I'm just gonna measure the bag with my, hang on, wait for it, ta-da! My trusty measuring tape. This has been following me around for maybe 20 years. I have a lot of vintage stuff that I really like. This rolls back too. Okay, so we're gonna measure my bag now. So let's see how big this bag is. We're gonna go with the top. This right now, from here to here, is 42.5 cm. I'm gonna go with centimeters. So this is 42.5 centimeter because it's more accurate. It's easier for me to read also. Let's see the bottom here right now, point here to here. And this is 32. 42.5 by 32 at the bottom. And let's see, how tall is the bag? And the bag is 27.5 cm. And this is 27.5 cm. So it's bigger, of course, bigger than your regular A4, which is awesome. And you can put in a 13-inch laptop in here. Mine is a 12-inch MacBook and it's very slim, so that's just awesome for me because it's lighter than the 13-inch and can slip into most of the bags. Okay, let's see. What about the bottom? It's very important because then we know how much stuff we can just throw into the bag, alright? Well, for me anyway, I love throwing things into the bag so it's easier for me to just carry them around everywhere. I do have smaller bags as well, but even then, I kind of stuff things in there also. But the thing is, sometimes the bigger the bag, the more things you stuff in. But anyway, I used to change bags quite often so that I know that I don't have to stuff too many things in there. If I'm going for an event and I know I'm gonna wear this item, I'm gonna put something in the bag, I'm just gonna put the necessities in there. But for work bags, it's important to have everything in there because you don't want to one day forget something and then find out, oh my god, I actually need to use it today, you know? It's not a great thing. So anyway, let's see. From here to here, okay? It's 12.5 cm. It is 5 inches. Yeah. So it is 5 inches. Awesome! So you know you can stuff a lot of things in here. For me at least. I'm gonna put it to good use for a bit and then come back with a new video on what's in my bag. And we're gonna see whether this shape will last. So anyway, thanks for watching and I hope to see you again in my next vlog. Cheers!